What's up guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to continue working on 2015 Jeep Cherokee. As you know, in previous video we have finished assembling front end. Today we are going to continue working with fixing the bumper. So let's bring the car outside so we can work inside the garage. To work on the bumper, I have bought this work stand which can protect the bumper from any damage and we can work easily. So let's open the box and assemble it. Our stand is ready, so let's bring the bumper and start removing all the broken parts. bumper is completely disassembled and cleaned. So now we are going to prepare for paint work. So I'm going to start with the sanding. As you can see over here, it's scratched up. So I'm going to sand over here, and there is a little bit scratch over here too. So I'm going to sand over here too. I have sent out all the small scratches using the sander, but there are some dents and dings which we need to fill out with using the glaze putty. So I'm going to apply a little bit and then going to let it dry, and then I'm going to sand it with 180 grit paper. So we have masked all the area using cover sheet, so we can go ahead and apply some primer. I'm going to apply around 2 to 3 coats. Primer is dry enough from last 30 minutes, so we can go ahead and use the 600 grit paper to do wet sanding with the water. It is the next day. Yesterday it was really late in the night during the painting and we need some time to paint to completely dry out. So it's more than enough time so we can go ahead and completely assemble the bumper again. So let's do it. Bumper is fully assembled, so let's install on the car. Bumper is finally installed and it looks amazing, but it's still not done 100%. We have some minor stuff to install, but it's gonna be in next video. In next video we are going to attach the side fenders, side skirts, under tray, and also we have to do some paint work. In that we have to buff out the whole new paint job, which is gonna be look perfect then. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. See you next time.